Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to recover Facebook account without phone number and email. So what if your Facebook account has been hacked and you don't have the access to your email address and your phone number? So what you're going to do here is you have to go to any web browser, and then this time you have to type this facebook.com/login and then slash identify, and then click the very first link that you can see right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, this is how you find your account, especially if you don't have, any access to your email or a phone number. You can still search your account through your number, if you remember, or your email. So suppose that the first one is my account and I don't have the access to this. So let me tap this try another way. So as you can see here, log in with your Google account, get code with the WhatsApp, get code via Facebook. I don't have the access to all of this. So you can tap this no longer have access to this. Tap this one and it will take you directly to this page. As you can see, I have lost access to my login details. So all you have to do is to confirm that it's 100% you who wants to have access again to your Facebook account. So what you're going to do here is you have to tap start, and then you can enter a new email address since you don't have the access to your latest or recent email address. So you can enter your new email address right here so that they can reach you out if they want to give you some instructions. So, not the email address that you have used on your Facebook account because you don't have access to this, but a new email address. It's a working email address to be exact. Once you have entered your email address here, then they will send a code, and all you have to do is to enter that code. As you can see, there is this get code right here. So once you have finished writing or entering your email account, then what you're going to do is to tap this get code. And then after that, you just have to enter the code that they have sent to your new email address. So here's the code that they have sent to my email address. All I have to do is to copy or type this. And then after that, go back to my Facebook application. So let me copy this one. Okay, and then paste it right here. After that, tap confirm and then upload ID. Okay, so in order for you to recover your Facebook account without email address or phone number, all you have to do is to provide them the information that they have needed. For example, if they need your one of your IDs, you can select passport, you can select driver's license or national ID. After that, tap next and then upload, browse your photos, click submit, wait for the customer service team to review, and then they will respond you right away. Once it's successful, then you can recover your Facebook account. And that's how easy it is. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest other topics, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.